全。在稍后打开行李架的时候，请小心，以防止行李滑落。您现在可以使用所有的电子物品，但是请您暂时不要使用手机通话，以免打扰到您周围的旅客。下机时，请检查一下行李架、前座椅背带等地方，以确保带齐了手机等所有的随身物品。此外，我们恳请您的配合，在下次登机前继续将手机行李托运，以保证客舱内行李的安全放置和所有客人的顺利登机。再次感谢您今天能够选乘关于驾乘员日本航空公司和中国东方航空公司、中国南方航空公司代码共享航班。各位旅客，我们下次再见，谢谢。
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Beijing Capital International Airport. The time here is now 11:58 in the morning. Please make sure to keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when you open the overhead compartments as item is revolved. You may now use all electronic devices. Please keep them when talking on the phone. This is the buzzer enabled. Please check the seat pocket to make sure you leave nothing behind. Your crew would like to thank you for flying with Japan Airlines, a member of the One World Alliance, and China Southern Airlines and China Eastern Airlines on this codeshare flight. We hope you enjoyed pleasant stay in Beijing. Thank you.